Hello everyone. My name is Olaya Olaimika, and I am the founder for Daosky, and I will be presenting Daosky to you. A brief presentation of what Daosky and why Daosky is going to be one of the most emerging startups in the next couple years. So Daosky serves as the WordPress for DAOs, providing a user-friendly platform for creating and managing decentralized autonomous organizations. Just as WordPress simplifies website creation and management for users, Daosky streamlines the process of establishing and governing DAOs. So the purpose of Daosky is to make DAOs easy to create and manage. So the problem statement: so in traditional governance system, decision making is often centralized, leading to inefficiency. Yeah. So in the traditional system in which most of us use, decision is mostly coming from just one point of entity. Okay, you have a company now, or you have an organization, and just one or two people, you know, gets to make most of the decision, and a lot of the members of the communities are left out. So, centralized governance models also face challenges in adapting to the complexities of a rapidly changing world. The world is evolving. Okay, the centralized governance model is something we have always been using since the beginning. Yeah, and for the fact that we are going to evolve, there might be challenges with it, with keeping up with the way things are evolving. So centralized platforms are susceptible to censorship and external interference, posing risks to freedom of expression and autonomy. This is a perfect example of one big issue we have in Nigeria. Due to the way a lot of systems are, it is difficult for you to voice your opinion for the fact of this fear of something happening. So this rise of DAOs signifies the paradigm shift towards a more inclusive, transparent, and resilient governance models. Yeah. So the solution. So welcome to Daosky, where we redefine governance for the digital age. Our platform empowers individuals and organizations to create and manage decentralized autonomous organizations effortlessly, paving the way for a more inclusive, transparent, and efficient decision making process. So what are the features of Daosky? We have the seamless, intuitive interface. So we really do put a work in the interface of Daosky, because DAOs itself are a bit complex. So making a more simple UI that is good, will make people more interested, and it will remove that complexity barrier for a lot of people. So we have canisters and smart decisions. So unless the power of ICP blockchain technology, so leverage canisters to automate governance process. Okay, collaborate, innovate, succeed. So if foster a culture of collaboration with Daosky, suite of collaboration tools members can exchange. So you have a community, and then you have members of the community exchanging ideas, and yeah. So seeing the market, so the market opportunity. So the landscape of governance is undergoing a profound transformation, with decentralized autonomous organization at the forefront of this revolution. Yeah. So DAOs are emerging, in this new age. So embracing the wave of change. So explosive growth. So the explosive growth of DAOs. If we were to say 10 years ago, how many DAOs do we have then? Very less. Compared to now, you have DAOs now emerging. People wanting to create their own DAOs, and it is in a country like Dubai where DAOs are being used. Even the ICP is being governed by the DAO. Season the market. So the market size and growth projection. So the market for DAOs solution is projected to expand exponentially in the coming years. So we suggest $1 billion market opportunity, and now's the time to capitalize on the growing demand for DAO platforms. Daosky. So what unique proposition are we bringing? So breaking down. So the main purpose of Daosky is to break down that barrier, complexity of DAOs and bringing it to everybody. So our unique value proposition lie in our demand to democratize DAO technology, empowering individuals and organizations of all backgrounds to create their DAOs with just a single click. So uniqueness includes simplified creation process, accessibility for all, and democratizing innovation. So our business model. So a DAO's guy, I mean, if the goal of every business is profit, yeah, and if we want to turn on profit, we have to find ways in which we can turn profit. So one is the subscription models, premium features and add-ons, partnership and collaboration, transaction fees. So what is our go-to-market strategy for Daosky? So the go-to-market strategy is centered around accelerating adoption, fostering community engagement, and building last in the relationship with our user. So key component of our strategy is targeted market campaigns, engaging with the community, strategic partnership, thought leadership, and education. So one of the platform enhancements that we want to do with Daosky, and particularly so, one big improvement we're going to make for the hackathon is improving the features, usability, and performance based on users' feedback and industry best practices. We want to expand our community, invest more in research and development to explore new technologies, adding emerging challenges, and stay at the forefront of innovation in decentralized governance, strategic partnerships. So, in conclusion, um, we conclude our present. So, we invite you to join us on our mission to revolutionize governance without sky. Together, we have explored the changes of traditional governance, unveiled the innovative solutions offered by Daosky, and outlined a strategic roadmap for the future. Now we extend our hand to you, inviting you to be part of this transformative journey. Thank you so much.